Pyrenees are teaching our new baby ducklings that they have to stay in their pens. And I don't know if you can see them, but there's a few of the older baby ducklings there. And the Pyrenees are just running around the pen, making sure that they don't try to escape. So they're letting them know that there's danger out here and they need to stay in that pen. And the funny thing is, one of them got out, and Bubba, he actually just kind of put his paw on it, and I came over and picked it up and put it back in the pen. So they're not going to hurt these ducks or these chickens. They're just letting them know that they have to stay in here. They're a herding breed, so that's what they do. Anyhow, just an update from the farm. You guys have a blessed Sunday.